live is nawala, the other one. Relive tayo, relive. I don't know where's my live. We'll see. Oh, here you go. Start from the beginning. Okay, and then I'll go to the okay, hopefully this one is gonna be okay. Let me go to YT Studio first. That's not the one. Here. Mega love shout out everyone. Thank you for going to my live. YouTube Studio. Here, YT Studio. Hi, Day. Naputol ang aking live kanina, Day. Kaya nag-relive ako. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari. Nawala, Day. Baka tinanggal ni ano. Oh, okay. Andito na. Let me do this one. Thank you, Day. Thank you, Daisel. Maganda na sana yung kanina, Day. Kaso nga lang naputol. Ewan ko ano nangyari. Okay. Ulit tayo, guys. Nagawa ko ng ano mamaya ng konti. Thank you for watching the live. Hello, Silhiti, my dear. Mega love shout out to you, Silhiti. What's up? Wow, I got harang. Thank you, Idol Silhiti, for coming to the live. And I always go to your live if I can see your in my wall. I'm okay, Idol. Thank you for coming to the live. It will help my oh, iRadio is here too. Thank you, iRadio, my friend. Like for, yeah, I'm doing real live. Silhiti King, iRadio, and the Liza Johnson. Thank you for coming to the live. And the rest of them are just ninjas. I'm trying to put on the ninjas so that somebody can watch our live and then do the harangs. you know, the ads. So let's do it with the harang, guys. Thank you so much for coming to the live. Wow, 7. I got 7. Ira Joe, Soliti King, and Inday Lysel Johnson. And earlier, Sis Manipur was here. But I don't know what's going on. It stopped. Probably Whitey stopped it. But I don't know. I have no idea. But it's okay. I'll do relive. And I will make for this cute little doggy on my front. I bought it last night in Walmart. Okay, iRadio, I will engage with you with my other account. Okay? Let me pin you, Idol I. Pin message. In the Lysel, please go to iRadio, or are you already connected with each other, Dysel? Are you still there, Dysel? iRadio, he's very, iRadio is very supportive in Dysel. iRadio, please connect with Lysel Johnson. Is this a new one, Idol? Okay, I will just go to your video. Okay, please go to the connect, guys, if you're still there. iRadio. Very supportive. Okay. Mega love shout out everyone. Okay, Idol iRadio. I cannot go to your live right now because I'm doing my live too. I just go to your videos, okay? I'm here in this 55, let me see, 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Yeah, I will engage today. I will engage with you right now, my friend iRadio. Okay, and then I will make a highlight. Where's the highlight? Okay, Lysel Johnson, Idol iRadio. Lysel Johnson said, iRadio done. Okay. Just leave a comment in there and we'll take care of the rest. Okay, let me make a